Matt, can you repeat this? Say this. Vlogtober is fun.
Vlogtober is fun.
Day 27 has begun.
27 has begun.
So follow us.
So follow her.
Us.
Follow us.
On the adventures we run.
On the adventures we run.
Thanks. Good morning, friends. It's 9:10. And do you know what? My skin actually looks quite a lot better. I'm quite pleased with it. I'm a little bit confused because I haven't been actually washing my face in the morning. So I don't know if it's because I've slowed down on the chemicals and stuff, because face wash is all chemicals, whether you like it or not. And maybe I've just given my skin a chance to sort of recover. I've still been washing my face at night when I shower, because of the glycolic cleanser I have in there. This light beam is really annoying. It's coming from this light, but why is it beaming? There we go, that's better. Okay, I'm gonna make some coffee. Don't know why I woke up so early, but I did, and yeah, I'm hungry. I've got Marshy on my lap, and I got coffee in my hand. I frothed it up today because I felt like I needed that extra frothiness, so that's good. Marshy was actually sleeping in the bedroom just now, but he came to join me because he wanted to see what I was doing, and yeah, he likes being with me. I love it when he lies on my lap. He's such a big fluff cloud. So fun. I just updated my iOS and it's so weird. iOS 15, like the notifications come up really weird and really big, so I'm like, whoa, were they? But Margie, you're not supposed to pee on the glass. Oh dear. Oh well. We are in Sainsbury's getting some bits and bobs for the next day or so. Do you not want the spring sprouts then? Too expensive? Just buy it. It's less than £1. Ooh, mozzarella sticks. Gnocchi. We're gonna get chicken for roasting and some vegetables, and it's a fun time today. What vegetables do we want? Mum said lettuce. Do you want gem lettuce or iceberg? Well, iceberg is much cheaper. Iceberg, I like this one. Yes. Time for a grocery haul. Yes. Okay, come down then. Okay, so today we got a bit of milk. Here you go, Pops. Milk for you.
There's no more.
We also got some oranges.
Caramel. How come? It smells caramel.
Because I had caramel this morning. We bought some puff pastry.
What?
Huh?
To make again?
We still got curry puff mix. I bought airwaves because I like these. And they always sell out.
What is airway?
We bought some eggs, but they only had large, so 12
Good.
large eggs.
That's good.
And then we also bought an iceberg lettuce. An iceberg lettuce going in the fridge. Oh, there's still oh no, that's your weird vegetable. Okay, I thought that was a little lettuce. And some
There's nothing else to
carrots.
do today, isn't it?
Carrots.
Fill in the form, that's it.
Fill in your form and continue your packing. And then we are having roast chicken dinner.
Tonight.
Yes, because we also bought a medium roast chicken, whole chicken. This is our pastry. So why don't you just cut a line, a straight line? If we're flattening it ourselves, then you only need to do a small amount, like this much.
Yeah.
I guess. Now cut it into triangles. Or are we just gonna fold it over like that? Yeah? Oh, so just cut the squares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can flatten it and fold it in the triangle.
Okay.
Get a plate.
The puff pastry production line. We got some weird parcel shapes, and we got some triangles and some oblongs, and a little bit of leftover pastry. With a bit of egg wash magic, and they go into the oven. And we hope that they puff up nicely. Good luck, puff pastries. They have come out of the oven. They look alright. You can't really see the fork marks that we made, but that's okay. And they smell yummy. And they're not super puffed, so all is good. Hopefully they're nice and crisp. So I marinated the chicken. I've got salt, oil, fresh thyme from the garden, I say garden, it's balcony, and some garlic. And then I also put chicken salt and extra salt because Dad said it wasn't salty enough. So here we go. This is going to sit for an hour, half an hour, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 5 o'clock, and we will go for a walk then. Right, Marsh? Yes. Love you, Bum Bum. We love you, Bum Bum. Oh, he's so cute. So the chicken is in the oven, and so we're on a walk with Marsh. This is the last evening walk my mum will ever do until she comes back in 6 months. If she comes back in 6 months, who knows what will happen? Maybe I'll get another dog.
No, not another dog. One is enough. You have to go to
Don't
work.
tell her. Oh. Mila and my mum are having a standoff.
Literally, what's happening there?
Hi! Hi! Little fox! No, it's okay. He got out of it. Following you. He's not following you. I think he's tired. Are you done? Stop doing it when I press record. Such a funny one. He was swimming in the grass, like I'm sure I've caught it on camera before. Now he's peeing. Okay. Now, yeah, he's just kicking his legs. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now he's swimming. No, he just relaxed. How do I get down? Well, I'm standing on this trunk and it's quite high.
Go to the middle part. Film here. Oh.
I am filming him. Oh, look at him swimming in the grass. Are you swimming? The exposure's really high. Swim, swim, swimming! Swim! Guys, look at Mr. Chicken. He looks so yummy and he smells so good. We're going to use these juices that are out of the chicken to put in the rice, to cook it with the rice. So it's going to be flavored nice, we hope.
Oh, Africa, right? And
Have you had it before then?
They don't have sayote. Yeah, they don't have sayote. They will have raw papaya.
Fingers.
Raw papaya.
Oh, I like papaya. So it is more like a fruit then? It's a fruit vegetable. Because it's like, it smells like pear. And it looks like pear. Are we going to be allergic to it? It's going to be cooked, so it's fine. Okay, good. The weirdest thing ever. Look at that chicken. We got a Yorkshire and chicken rice, and this is the weird vegetable thing.
The chow chow.
Chow chow. Or what does the Filipinos call it?
Sayote.
Mm. Yum.
Sayute.
So it's 9:15 now in the evening, and Marshy was sitting next to me on the sofa, and I was stroking him and, you know, fiddling about with my phone. And then I'd stop because I had to type something with 2 hands, and then he would growl at me as if to be like, why are you even stopping? Like, why is your hand not constantly petting me all the time? So, and it wasn't just once, he did it twice, and I was like, what is this angry thing that you have where he's making growly noises before he would let me, you know, before I could type on my phone? Why are you making growly noises? But yeah, I'm about to have a shower now, I think, and get ready for bed, because I'm feeling a bit tired, but I did wake up at 9 something this morning. I don't know what time I slept. I was watching Lock and Key and getting through that again. So I'm watching a bit more of it now. I will watch more later after I have my shower. And yeah, there's that. So thanks for watching, and good night. Dinner was so delicious, by the way. Good night, guys.